There's something strange in this neighborhood. Join me as we take a trip to this door and see just what lies within it.
Unusual audio-visual activity in your house.
I love this town.
You're on thin ice, buddy.
Yeah, if you say so.
Mijo, get your butt in here. You left the TV on and this room is a disaster. The wrong neighborhood!
Face an icy new evil. Ghostbusters, Frozen Empire. Only at Universal Halloween Horror Nights, where horror lives.
Pick up. Oh, hey, sorry, I'm trying to call someone. They're just not picking up the phone. I'm just here to tell you guys that this house is going to be based on Ghostbusters Frozen Empire, the movie that just came out this year, one that features Garaka and the Ghostbusters. If you haven't seen it, definitely do watch it. You got to do your Horror Nights homework. I will give you guys a video way later in haunt season for you guys to look forward to, but for now, let's get ready for some very bone-chilling scares that are along the way. Now, this isn't the first time that Ghostbusters will be featured at Horror Nights or Universal, to say the least. I'm right here standing in front of the New York Public Library, which is actually featured in Frozen Empire and was used for Ghostbusters stage shows multiple times in the past. Along with that, if you come with me for a second, right where I was standing just a few clips ago, right here was the former entrance to the Ghostbusters fire engine, which was the entrance to the Ghostbusters Spooktacular. And well, I'm excited to see them back. I love the house in 2019, and altogether, I think it's gonna be a great time. Bustin's gonna feel great. Oh, you wanna see the merch? Let's go. Here in the 5 and 9, they have the brand new merchandise for Ghostbusters Frozen Empire that just got announced for Halloween Horror Nights. We see the brand new t-shirt that is $33. It has Garaka and 4 of the Ghostbusters on it, along with some nods to other ghosts that are featured in the film. And then we have the hat, which is $30 and also has Garaka along with the Ghostbusters logo. It's very nice to see. I love this shirt. It's probably one of my favorite ones that they've released for Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. So I can't wait to see what else they do when it comes to the event itself for merchandise for this property. They did a great job with it back in 2019 with the original Ghostbusters, and honestly, I feel like this is going to be the exact same. We're going to get nice tied-in merchandise for the event. I can't wait to see if they have pins, if they have buttons, who knows. I just know that we're probably gonna have something related to the mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Men, and I cannot wait to see that. As for the haunted house itself, I'm beyond excited. I'm so happy to see this. I loved the first Ghostbusters house that we had in 2019. I thought it was a blast. I thought it was so much fun. And now this one is based on the new film that's coming out this year, which is Ghostbusters Frozen Empire. And truthfully, when I watched this film, I watched it with the thought process of, how can this work as a Horror Nights house? Because that's how I watch every horror movie, because I'm a weirdo. But from the press release itself, Universal has stated that you will find yourself in the sinister world of the supernatural. From Ray's occult books to Ghostbusters' new high-tech lab and containment facility in the dank New York City sewer system. Honestly, this is going to be so much fun. We're going to go straight into New York again and see a Frozen Empire. The one thing that I'm hoping from this house, the one big thing that I hope happens, is that we get to see, or feel, better said, a cold house. Similar to what we've had in the past with Yeti Terror of the Yukon and things like that, where the climate is different. I hope this house is just like that. In a soundstage, the weather can be controlled, so it's going to be a chef's kiss. Now, there's one thing that you can guarantee with Ghostbusters. It is going to be funny, and it might also be a little scary. But I honestly think this will be a great first house for someone if they're attending the event for the first time. This might be the house to go to first, as there is a little bit of humor in there. That way you have a taste of humor and horror, and you're kind of starting off on the right foot, and you're not getting yourselves into anything too scary. I think this is a perfect touch to go into. But with that being said, let's get back to the park. Aside from just being a part of Universal Studios Florida's history, there's also a little piece here in the park right now in the tribute store when it comes to Ghostbusters. They're kind of everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Not limited to just a little Sandy, but also a nice little display in the back with the 4 Ghostbusters going after Gozer. But it doesn't just stop there, no, no, no. Now, we get to probably the peak of what Ghostbusters is at the moment, and that's Cinesational. And now our Ghostbusters filled day is finished. Now I know the drones weren't on for the show because the weather has been terrible today. It's been raining, pouring rain, but it's not going to ruin our day. We had a lot of fun. And I have footage of the Ghostbusters drones put on the screen right now. It's vertical from opening day. But still, a whole lot of fun. I was here with Aiden today over there in Dreamport Productions. He was my cameraman. So all the shots you saw that were of me just standing somewhere, it was this kind sir right here. Do me a favor, subscribe to this guy. He's an awesome dude. That is my Barrel House boy. Hey. Also my boy just in general. Why is it not focusing on his face? Ugh. There we go. That's my go. How do you feel about the announcement? How do you feel about all the Ghostbusters stuff in general? Better said.
Considering that in the show, I got chills from hearing the sirens go off and the theme kick off. It's gotta be, I love it. I love Ghostbusters, and I'm so excited to see Ghostbusters at the event, in the park. Like, just bringing them back to Universal. Maybe eventually getting an attraction or something would be incredible. Like, something.
I'm also excited for the parade. The parade's next week.
Yeah.
And the Ghostbusters are gonna be in that too.
Exactly. With Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. What's that?
I'm excited. I'm wearing my Ghostbusters shirt. I'm sitting where they filmed the commercial. Yeah. I showed you guys everything in the park that's Ghostbusters related that I can find. If you guys know there's anything that I missed today, let me know down below.
Down below.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, comment down below what your thoughts are on everything Ghostbusters related. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. Stay excellent, my dudes. Yeah, that works? Does that work? Oh, hey! Didn't see that was still